Dirty girl. That's being rude. That's being rude.
Very disrespectful,
That's
guys.
rude.
Worse when the man them see her and say, actually look at dirty girl. They look at that. I don't like the dirty. Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? You think I chattings? Bang, bang, boom!
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the right your stuff.
And you don't see a king, though. She look tired, dog.
Guys, you know for ask, look at my item. I am very tired. Today was a very stressful day for me.
Watch out, guys. She get one of these. What?
Somebody, I challenge somebody in the comment section or any YouTuber to have a boxing match with this gentleman because he needs something like that for, yeah.
Anytime when you're ready.
Come now, man, I could get to that video.
Guys, so today we'll come here with our next EPIC epic video, guys. Alright, so watch how go on. Alright, so today I'm gonna teach my own Jamaican slang. So we're gonna start it with this. Oh yes, sir, ups.
Oh yes, sir, ups.
Oh yes, sir, ups.
Oh, so basically, here right I go, guys.
Oh, you sir, ups.
We're gonna discuss them because some of them, you know. You feel me?
Me not talk about that. Oh, you use oh yes, sir, ups in a sentence. You two ups.
Alright.
I want that in a sentence.
Oh, yes, sir, ups in a sentence. Alright, yeah. Make a run it off conversation wise.
No, man, sentence want it in a.
Guys, oh, yes, sir, ups, that's a Jamaican slang.
Oh,
you have to use that in a sentence without having a conversation, a dialect to see how it would come in. People, tell me if you want to go down in an English film, you know, because guess what? Scholar, they write your stuff.
Guys, I can be very intelligent, so I don't know
Nobody never say you can't be intelligent,
Guys,
sir.
I don't know what the hell is she talking about.
Look at
First and foremost, I'm a bit older than she is, and as she knows, long live and knows more.
Okay, but...
Back up!
Sure, no, man. Guys, I hear me so tired at the beginning of the video. And
you still going back to the question.
Your ups. Right now, you behave ups. Your ups. Yeah, you behave your ups. See it there.
So, what the definition of ups?
Jesus.
Because you have people who watch it and know what ups mean, you know.
Okay, guys.
What is the definition of ups?
Down. In Jamaican terms, when somebody say your ups, that mean that you're being overboard or you just make them feel uncomfortable to a point where they must tell you, say, you're too enough, so back off. You feel me?
I don't understand what overboard mean. Break it down. Break it down. Break it down.
Jesus Christ, Clifton. Yeah, get pantom nerves now.
When I hear this, when I really hear this, we decide to come on camera to do this video for you guys, and now I'm getting on her nerves. Really? My girl, your arm poop up. Not because you were boring, my girl. You want me boring like you. Me under vibes right now, I just have brought my vibes.
What's that about me there?
Me know. Me know, that's why I say it. That's why I say it. Because that you do right now brought my vibes. You pause the camera to tell me foolishness. People should pause the camera to ask me why me not move on. Alright, like how she want me move on, I'm gonna move on. My girl, dibby dibby.
Dibby dibby. Alright guys, them use the term dibby dibby like when you know you're a female and you anything where you say, where them say you work with, so them obvious to say you dibby dibby, as in alright, if I say jump, oh I, you ask oh I, you know, like you're following command basically.
No guys, that's not what dibby dibby
so what dibby dibby mean?
Dibby dibby mean when you dibby dibby. Guys, when somebody say you dibby dibby, because right now if you look on her, she does right now it come like me alone to do the video. Don't guys, but I try me ask her the question, then it gonna look unfair. Cause I will talk to the
guys, bear with me. I am very tired.
No.
So I just
she alone tired, guys. We a water run through me and blood run through she. She alone tired. Anyway, guys, I said dibby dibby. It mean like this. Let me explain it to you. Let me break it down. Alright, guys. When somebody say a dibby dibby, them a try tell you say, you think Lily, you're not in a them league, you're not up on them level. That's why them use the term say you're DB. You get it? Alright guys, cause right now it come like me alone attack. So I'm gonna throw one more question to her. You understand guys? Because I don't know. Dog.
Calling your friend dog, that's just a little slang for say, you know, like where would I say everybody have them own thing with them classify them friend as or with them call them friend. You feel me? So when you say come in a dog, you mean like, you know, you're your par, you're your virgin, and you say, alright then you want a real one. You know what I mean?
Some man turn dog now.
Then if everything gone to Canada, what else is there to do? Guys!
Nah laugh. Comment that one down below guys.
No.
She said all like dog them gone to Canada. Hey, dog asleep on bed at Canada, you know.
Must say.
Them a live life, them lifestyle lavish.
People can't say I'm broke like dog, cause guess what?
Dog broke again.
Dog start sending barrel come to Jamaica for them hungry belly.
And
people.
dog, right now, dog a send for them other dog. Dog a send for dog.
Yeah, dogs so, them dogs them massacre. My dog them have live. You see it?
And then your cartel tell you, dog, I just be a dog. Right now, so come over.
Guys, me I tell you say.
We'll move on to the next slang because right now, you saw I them fat like a pampas fish.
And what they call me?
Yeah, guys, so we'll move on to the next question. Alright, you move the next question, the next word. So the next word is this, guys.
Come on. I'm gonna have two theme, guys. Tell me if you think me for asking back to in a female perspective.
And she want to ask question. But I don't have no problem if she want to ask two questions because you don't know. Me knows I'm enough. I just push in myself. So.
And you push out, all you push in yourself. Ask, come. Guys, I forget to ask you, how is your day going? Your afternoon, your morning, your weekend, whenever you watch a video here. How are you doing, guys? Tell me in the comment section down
subscribe
below.
If you don't know subscribe yet.
Yeah. Get us to 1K, guys. I'm realize and I love the support that we're getting, guys. Share out the video them because I know I enjoy watching them. Share out the video them. Get us to 1K, 2K, 3K. And just keep the K's coming.
All the M's them too.
Exactly.
Anyway, guys. Why time always a run down Jerry?
Why time always a run down Jerry?
Yeah.
Because that's how the cartoon go, Tom and Jerry. See one rude and one ever trouble the other one.
See if you tell me say Jerry was a mouse and Tom was a cat, I would understand that. But what you say now add up right now. But anyway, move on to the next question, guys.
Guys, comment down below your reasoning on that. Just let us know your reasoning on that.
Make we move on to the next question. Alright guys. What one?
You know, like when you know see somebody for a long time and they say, girl, one. Like them I say, what's up? How have you been? How is everything?
Alright, that's the best she ever answer slang from she answer.
No. Comment down below and answer, giving your interpretations and tell me how I am doing. Because you see him, whatever me do, never good enough yet. Because I know me answer and I'm a thief. In a tired state, guys. Me answer. No, we need to try. Hey.
Guys, right now, I just power up a while ago. I'm going to a next level. I know now what you are going to the next level. I'm going to the next level. So I know some transform. So I'm going to liquor with the next epic one.
Guys, always drink water. Keep hydrated. You feel me?
Guys, I'm fully hydrated.
Yeah.
Feel all my eye hydrated. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. So she are going like she know all of the slang them. But I'm going to liquor with that one. Yeah. And all of the YouTuber them love use that one. Yeah. It's a Jamaican thing for we. Banging!
Alright! Banging. When I say banging, you know, say the video. You see the video when I say banging? That video, this see me can't even talk, deserve a subscription. So if you watch this and you know say the video banging, just subscribe. Yeah?
Bang, bang, boom!
That's how it means. The video, yeah, grab your all your where you just have to subscribe because you don't want to miss nothing. Yeah.
You subscribe yet?
You will watch.
You subscribe yet?
You girl, sir, miss, auntie, uncle.
Click the bell too, yeah?
Yeah.
Click the bell and click all.
Yes.
ALL. Yes.
Alright guys, so my time for asking because I'm well cruisy and Alright. In a female perspective, when them say, which one I think we forgive? Because females have a lot to say.
Get to the point.
Alright, guys. In a female perspective, when them say, like them that say, no, Ariana good smarty. Him not good. What you think they mean?
Just, guys, that's like an onomatopoeia. The sound of the sentence is the meaning. Him are not good smarty. Him just not good.
You don't think there's a reason behind them saying that?
Just like how somebody said, Gal King, or boom, splash, trash. It's an onomatopoeia, guys. The sound of the word is the meaning. So when you hear about Gal King, you don't need to ask me about Gal King or what's the meaning.
The man know the Gal thing. Alright.
It's an onomatopoeia, so I have to spell it out no more for now. And I'm going to throw one more question for her.
Alright,
because
then.
she go like her head tough, which is tough. Peace.
Oh, me I go like head tough and me answer, guys. You see him I go like him want diss me?
No, I'm not this you.
Comment that down below.
I'm not this you, no, my girl.
That I want to, you know, you see that I want neatly.
This look
no,
like a
medzi, neatly. That's a one. When you tell somebody say them head tough, you ask them, no man.
You say head not tough?
Stop, no? When you say to them, say, no man, your head tough. Them I say, no, Why you know what up your saw? The peanut you have not a brain. Guys.
She never waste no time at school, guys, so don't follow me. You see me?
We all know that.
Subscribe to the channel. Alright.
Alright. Wait, no.
No, I'm my turn. Cause
but
me
you
never
just
know,
give me one style.
No, but me never know say this is all about you. Remember, it's my idea for ask you the Jamaican slang them.
Alright, guys. Him have one more and then me have one more and then I eat that. You feel me? Come.
Me never know say I hear a video now. Me never know I hear a video, Alia.
Alright. You see when me did that be dead in at the beginning, I say
a King video, I never Ali.
But,
my idea.
But guess what?
You know, you better sleep. I'm going to wake you up and say we need content to give the people them know. So, guys, this is a post right now. As we speak, this is a post.
You hear what I'm saying, though?
We just have to make content for now. We come in from work. She going to mash up something today. And me decide say, yo, we have to get something.
Yeah.
You see me, we have to go on a video. And guys, me I try my best to make when I get a video every day. Yeah, guys, because...
Hold on. You hear what I'm just said? It wake me up out of my bed because we had a stressful day. We're coming from work, people. If you know us, you might not know. But yeah, we're busy individuals and we still ensure that we make time for you guys. So please, just share out the video them. Like the video. Drop as many comments as possible and show that you appreciate our time and effort. Because we are do the best we can and... Why am I do this? See me give a speech and I do this.
Why you turn Michael Jackson speechless? Lock off! Shut up!
That is the next one too, you know, guys. That's the next one. You want to be a dibby. Come on.
Give me the like what I deserve, guys. And comment Team King.
Team Ali because Team King now go and good. Me soon drop a epic prank on him. Come on, man.
She talk about prank. I must say Frank. Hey, guys, you ever watch Ed and Eddie with plank? Sure.
Yeah,
yo, nobody remember done her like a gun, you know. Hey.
Come no man and give me the next one.
The next one, guys. Go.
With the two with the right, that's alright. And him ear.
Go.
Why you shouting at my ears for?
Someone not tell us go.
You understand what I say, guys? When them say go, them a run your way like them a say, move from yourself. You know, me have go in with expression in the car. If you know me a drama girl. What? Like them I say, move from right yourself. Yeah, that's him I say. And the next one when me have for him, and this is the last one, guys. The last and final one. If you want a part 2 of this video where I am asking him based on female perspective, you can drop that down in the comment section down below. Why am I look so?
Guys, you should talk, but one more. When them say you're ugly like.
Am I time?
You're ugly like.
Yes.
Alia, you're ugly like.
I saw them stay people. Yeah, you know some males.
Comment that down below, guys. Look for her. She ugly like.
Not even laugh, guys.
Guys, it's all handsome here. Talk to me, eh? When I sleep, I wake up tonight with the notification, yeah.
Guys, don't even laugh with him. When them tell us say ugly, you see, is either you hear what them say when they're little. When them tell us say when fox can't get the grape, them say it's sour, something like that. I saw them stay. When them can't get for have you them way, them tell you all sort of things with discriminate. But I know I'm a beautiful young lady.
Guys, she facially challenged.
He might do my body. Oh my god. Don't lick me, leave me.
It's not an insult. Remember now you have some people with them face, the bone in them face structure different. You see me say I just that with you.
Guys, me gonna make him do a video by himself. You understand?
They can't get up and go on. Never beg no friend. Guys, I want an epic. But she go on like she bad. I chat you.
We don't like this, guys. Me not like this.
Hey, I call her up on the camera for the Jamaican slang because I know so that one is a BAM! Bang, bang, boom! I'm gonna kill her.
Guys, me I close up that video because he might do me bad.
Oh, she can't close off my video. Guys, on my video.
Yeah, I'll get up left here then.
And before I go further, I want one more for you. Dirty girl.
That is, guys.
Dirty girl.
Wait, let me explain this one. You see, if you're American or not from the Caribbean, and somebody said dirty girl, that's being rude. That's being rude.
Very disrespectful.
That's
guys.
rude.
Worse than the man them see and say, actually look at dirty girl. They look at that. I don't like the dirty girl, you know.
Hey, in a king vice, dirty girl.
Dirty girl.
That's rude.
And you have some man too, where they're on the next side, where you use that with talks like dirty girl.
But let's not get on that side. Let's stay on this side, guys. I mean, I like when people love laugh and lick people, you know. You
me and your friend?
No, what I know.
Me and your friend?
Shut up, no man.
One more that, guys. Me and your friend?
Sure, no. You know, you have some people who love laugh and lick and dash down them body pan people. I don't like it. So don't laugh and dash down yourself on me.
You know, when I'm not assault you and you abuse me?
Guys, I don't like that style. I don't like it. Comment down below and tell me if I'm me alone stay. So
guys,
when you laugh, not...
Guys,
no.
Last week, me gave her $100. See, and to them look on her and beg her $50. And she tell me she don't have none. But you know, I look on her and tell her, say, guys, remember the last time I lent him $100? Remember the last time I lent him $100? No, play with you again.
Yeah,
no, play with
style.
You again.
I have some people still saying, them lend it. And them lend it for beg it.
We say Jamaican slang. Guys, me there from 19 how long? And we say Jamaican slang. Subscribe Team King over here, so.
Hey, him realize that everybody depend Team
And all of the new subscriber them, welcome. And all of the new subscriber them, drop it Team King.
You see that? He might try buy you know for say Team King, but
guys,
guess what? Well, I'm talking now.
Me not buy you know. Me not buy nobody, guys. Me I keep you know entertained.
Hold on, and don't speak. Everybody as a Team Ali, and him not like that, cause guess what? Them realize the Team Ali.
Three people me see in the comment section say Team Ali.
Stop. Comment down below Team Ali, make him see my real supporters them. So here we guys, without further ado, we just gonna leave you know. With a bang, me I close off the video. Yeah?
Guys, the video you can't close because I know I'm not telling you stuff. Go over my Instagram and follow guys. King_original. And go over there guys and follow because the video them are come epic. The picture them are come epic.
But guys, I'm really tired. I want done that video, yeah, I know. I'm tired.
Guys, she look like a bunny rabbit. Hey, you know Mickey Mouse? Only thing she do.
Come no read and close out the thing. Ciao.
Guys, I'll share, hear me say, get up and me talk to the people.
I'm going to get up with you, you know.
Alright, guys,
I'm going to get up with you.
We're going to leave you with a bang. Until next time.
We're
bang,
out.
Bang, boom.
We're out.